Hello Gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my financial abundance day. But before we get started, I wanted to share with you guys what since I closed out Build a Bank, what did I decide to do to help me stay on track with our family vacation. So our family vacation is coming up. So I ordered this binder. I do not have the Etsy shop's name, but if I remember, I will put it across the screen here. But I ordered this, and I was looking for something that was slim and compact that I can keep into my travel bag. And what I did was it came with these envelopes here, and then it came with some extra clear ones, a pack of them. And I just took my handy dandy Cricut machine that I finally dust off, and I made some labels for each one. So we are doing a road trip, so I just put like gas money in here, and then I put a tracker in here so I can keep track, just in case that say that, I don't know, we stop somewhere and they don't accept cash, and I have to use a card. I can just put on here how much was used on the card, and I can take the money out of, I put like gas here and then a blank envelope. So if that happens, I can take, say, $40 out of here and put it in here, if that makes sense. So I know that goes back to the bank. So I have, can you guys see that? I have snacks here, because what's a road trip without your snacks? Yes, snacks. I did the same thing and put the tracker here. Fun. This is like fun and entertainment. So we decided to do zip lining, bumper cars, go to the aquarium, anything like that. That is what this is for. And it has the tracker also. This is food and drinks. So we are a foodie family. We like to try new things. So this is, if I didn't tell you guys, we are going to Florida. So if we go on the boardwalk and we see funnel cakes, my favorite is turkey legs. I love me a good turkey leg. Cotton candy, lemonades, anything like that. This is what this is for. So this is food and drinks. And what I did was I put some money here, which is $300 in cash, and then I got $18.80 in the bank. And that is for, like, we go to a restaurant or something like that. I can just use my card, and I know I have that in the bank, and I can keep track of that here. Tips, because got to tip. People were out here working hard, so I got an envelope here for tips. So for the hotel or restaurant. Souvenirs, I got an envelope for that. We don't get too much souvenirs because I hate, like, the t-shirts. I mean, you buy them and don't even wear them. So only thing that every place we go, souvenirs we get is a refrigerator magnet. We have to get one of those. Everywhere we go, we get one. So just a little something for souvenirs. And then, of course, I had to put shopping in here. So I have one here for shopping. And then personal shopping. I was like, let me separate my personal shopping. Because I think when I go down there, I want to get a permanent bracelet or some kind of permanent jewelry. So I put that here. And that came out of my sinking funds. That wasn't in with the Build-A-Bank savings. And then miscellaneous. So if we need to stop at Target to get anything, I don't know, need a little extra cash for gas, we have miscellaneous here. So yeah, so that is just a little sneak peek, not sneak peek, there's just a preview of what I decided to do with the money, so I can stay on track, on budget. And this, everybody, you guys, this is my portion, and then my husband has his own savings. So this is just what I'm bringing to the table. and he said he was fine with this. So like I said, well, all the saving challenges that I used, I was able to, without a credit card, yes, Gems, yes, I was able to put this together, pay my portion of the hotel and the rental car. Your girl is proud of herself. Yes, I am. So this just to show you, you can do it $1 at a time. So if you think this was a great idea, let me know. Hopefully I'm gonna try it out and I'll let you guys know how it goes. All right, so let's get back. Let's get to what you guys came here for. So we are doing our financial abundance. I got my 12 seeking funds here and $80 in prop money. Oh, before I even get started, let's go on and go to this Thrifted Sewist. And we have one left. And this is saving for the occasion. So I'm decided to use this. I think I'm set on everything, but I'm going to use this as a buffer. So this is just going to sit in my account, and then if I need it, I know it's there. If I don't need it, this will go towards our next vacation in October-ish. So with this, let me go through and make sure we did all of the cards. So we did the bonus card finish, the purple card is finished, green is finished, red is finished, and yellow. Yes. So let's go ahead and finish blue. This was so much fun. And this was the Thrifted Sewist shop. And that is the big 25. I was trying to think, like, what is under here? That 25. That's really gonna take your girl on out the house. All right, so let's see how much this saved us, because I wasn't even expecting that to be 25. So with the Thrifted Sewist, this was her rainbow, or I forgot, say the rainbow, color the rainbow, I don't know, something. So this was 100, 200, 50, 60, 75, $82. What? So $282. I'm gonna add that up and see if that's right, but I think it's right. So $282. And like I said, I'm just gonna put rainbow. This is just gonna sit in my account, and it's just gonna be like a buffer. If I need it, I know it's there. If I don't need it, then I'll just put it in my high yield savings account, and then it will be for our next vacation in October. So perfect. Thank you from the Thrifted Sewist. And let's go ahead and draw a card. Should I draw a card or roll a die? I feel like let's roll a die. 2. We got Bookish Mama Budgets. And let's go ahead and scratch one. I thought it was just a 1. Nah, girl, you tricked me. That's 11. So 11. 5, 10, and 11. All right. I'm not even going to bother counting that up, because I will, because this video going to be long. 5, I had to share that with you guys. I thought it was a great idea in my mind. We shall see. Oh, we finished 5. See, look, we was going to roll a 5 anyway. We finished 5. 2. Back to 2. I know you lying. Let's see. Let's do I don't know. Let's do this one at the bottom. Okay, 3. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. 12. Where are y'all? 12. Lemon Ivy. And let's just do her here. And that is a 5. So 5. Go again. 5. Oh, we finished 5. It wanted us to do 5. Really? 10. I'm about to say. So 10. So we finished. This is Dreamy Budgets. We finished those dominoes. Let's go to. None of them was close to being done. Let's go here. This got some pretty low numbers. So that's 2 and 5, $7. So 5, 6, and 7. Now that one is almost done. All right. Let's go again. Back to 10. Okay, we just finished that one. Where you at, sis? Where you at? All right, let's finish this domino up. And another $5. $5 it is. Two. Are we back? Did we just do 2? Oh my God, we're not doing 2 again. What's that? 9. Yes, 9. Beautiful Budgets Co. We haven't played this one in a while. Let's see. We got 2 and 2. 2 and 2. Oh no, we already did this up. We already rolled, so we have to do one of these numbers on the side. So let's roll a D12. 11. Lord have mercy. So let's do that one. Is that going to spear? Probably so. Why did you do that? No, no. So let me get another one. Would you be able to see this one? That's probably made it worse. Oh dear. All right, and that's Beautiful Budgets Co. I didn't put the 11. So 10 and 11. All right. Whew, goodness. 5, 8. Next time I'm doing my cards, because this die is cutting up. We got Champagne's Corner here. And we stopped here. So we got 3, 4, 5. Is that all we got left? We're going to do that then. So we got 3, 4, 5. We finished the whole thing. We sure did. $5 going in. And this is for Shop Small. I need it because I've been shopping. So let's counter up. Let's counter up. I don't even know how much in here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right. We got 20, 40, 50, 52, 53. So another $53. So 60 plus 53 is 113. Perfect. All right. We just put that back in here. All right. Well, we got a couple more dollars. Let's see what we can do. 8 finish. 11. Mystic Budgets. Okay. Oh, I forgot. I put the book back together so you guys can see. So this is Carded and Diced by Mystic Budget. We finished. Yeah, we finished this one. So let's go here. Let me see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got $8. So the dice one, you just roll a die and cross off until you get 2 left, and then add those 2 together. So we got 4, 3, 2. Oh Lord, we might have an IOU. Come on, 6. Oh heck no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We only got $8. What was I thinking? I wasn't. No. We gonna scratch that. Where my eraser? Well, I need to get a new one. We gonna erase that. Cause ain't no we ain't doing that today. Oh, I got $8. We can't play this one. I don't need no IOU. But that's Mystic Budget. Thank you, Mel. I love that. But not today, sis. So let's go to our Reynolds budget here. Our catch-all. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. Girl, you ain't rich. And let's go ahead and do $8. Get a marker that's going to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, $8. So let's do let's just do the 4 and 4. I was gonna try to do those two, but hey, we're gonna just do it like that. $8. And that's Reynolds budget. And I will count it up for you guys, but I think this video been too long. I'm sick of my mess. So I know you guys sick of it. So I'm just going to put everything back. But thank you guys so much for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.